Hi everybody, today I will show you how to set up Google Family Link. So, you'll need two phones for this, your own phone and your child's Android phone. Let's start on your child's phone. Simply navigate to settings on your child's phone, scroll down and navigate to Google. Click on All Services, scroll down to the Children and Family section and click Parental Controls. Now, click Let's do this. Now, choose the account that you want to supervise. That means you'll have to choose your children's Google account and click Supervise Account. Now, click Sign out and continue of other accounts on this phone and click Next. Now, enter the email or phone number of your parent. So, enter the Google account that you will use to supervise your child or teenager and click Next. Now, enter the password of that specific account and click Next. After you click Next, a notification will be sent to the parent's phone. Simply click Yes, it's me. Now, on this page, Google will show you how parental control works. So simply go over this specific page. You can learn various things about parental controls here. Scroll down at the bottom and enter your child's password. After entering your password, you'll be taken to this page where you can simply click on Next. Click Allow here. Once you click Allow, you can review the settings like controls on Google Play, filters on Google Chrome and Google Search. So you can go over this and set up these settings according to your preference and simply click Next. After you click Next, the parental controls for your child's phone are ready. Now you'll have to simply switch to the parent's phone. So open the parent's phone. Now navigate to Play Store, click on search icon and search for Google Family Link for Parents. Now install Google Family Link. Once the installation gets finished, simply click Open. After you open the Family Link application, you will have to simply choose the Google account that you chose as a parent. So sign in with your own Google account and follow the prompts to set it up. So after selecting the Gmail, click on Continue. Now you'll be taken inside the application where you can simply see that you have the controls for your child. As you can see, the child's Gmail will be available just right here and your child's name will be here. You can do all the settings. You can see their location, their screen time, set up time limits, set down times and school times off. You can lock your child's phone by clicking the lock icon. You can see their time spent and do all the settings available. So that's how you set up Google Family Link. If you found this helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.